How to fix automatic brightness increase on Instagram. If you're facing an issue where your brightness automatically changes while using Instagram, then here's how you can fix it. First, if you head over to Instagram, there is no active option where you can change the brightness of your device from Instagram. So you're going to have to head over to your main phone settings, and then from here, you can find your display settings. This will be the same for all of the devices. You can find the brightness option on your display settings, and you can adjust your brightness from here. And you're just gonna look for this option, adaptive brightness. So if you turn it on, what it does is your phone has a sensor on top of your screen. So what happens is based on how much light is the sensor getting, it will adjust the brightness. So if the sensor is not getting a lot of light, then it will automatically decrease the brightness. And if the sensor is getting a large amount of light or any kind of sunlight, it will automatically increase your brightness if your adaptive brightness is turned on. That is why it might be the reason why your Instagram is acting that way, changing the brightness automatically. You just want to turn this one off and try to use Instagram and see if it's changing brightness again. So you could also change your screen mode. Right now it's natural, but if you set this to vivid, you could choose the warmth or the coolness of your screen as well, and your display will be changed accordingly as well. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.